Hello everyone, I am Shrutika Katkar and today's video topic is a life journey of Sudha Murthy. Today date is 7th March 2022. Some women are born to inspire. Be it Mother Teresa, Sarojini Naidu or Kalpana Chawla, women have always been a source of motivation and a catalyst of a social change. One such name is Sudha Murthy, who has made a prominent impact on Indian society. A writer, physiotherapist, and entrepreneur, Sudha Murthy is greatly received for the being a prolific writer, fantasizing the education of poor children and for being one of the brain behind Infosys, one of India's leading IT company, soberly dressed in a traditional Indian attires. Sudha Murthy philanthropic work has generated global recognition, from becoming the first female engineer of India to healing a company like Infosys. His seriousness towards making a change in a society and her educational journey has played a significant role in her her making. Let us know how have a look of Sudha Murthy's education and her achievements. Life is an exam where the syllabus is unknown and question paper are not set, or nor are there medal answer paper. Sudha Murthy grandma uh, beg of her stories house of cards. Sudha Murthy personal life on 19 August 1950. Sudha Murthy was born in a Brahman family in a Shigaon, Karnataka. Her father, Dr. R.H. Kulkarni, who was a surgeon, of her mother, Vimla Kulkarni, supported her in her right from her childhood and raised a young Sudha along with her three siblings and educate atmosphere in the family instilled in her a passion to do something extraordinary at an early age. Sudha Murthy brother Srinivas Kulkarni is a renowned who received the Dan David Prize in 2070. Her early life experience and affinity to her grandmother become the foundation for some of her books. If you try to please everyone, you will please no one. It is impossible to lead your life for others. Education, Sudha Murthy. Education has a major role to play in shaping her as a successful author, even through her educational path was more technical in nature. Her hard work and commitment are clear from the fact that she emerged as a topper during her bachelor and master's degree. Sudha Murthy completed her BE in electrical engineering from BVB College of Engineering, Hubli, where she won a medal for her uh, exceptional academic performance. Later on, she considered the optional for higher studies and went to pursue her BE in computer science in 1974 from the Indian Institutes of Science Bangalore, and later received a gold medal from the then Karnataka Chief Minister of topping both the final exams. A fire cannot be extinguished with another fire. It is only water that can make a difference. Career of Sudha Murthy. Sudha Murthy has always been an advocate of women's right and a difference. Thank you.